Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO V29 Lite, and today I'll show you how we can record screen on this phone. So to get started, you want to swipe down from the top of your screen like so, and then do that once more to extend the list of visible toggles. Now one of those toggles will be a screen recording toggle. Let's see how long it takes me to find mine. Here we go, it's right over here. So once you see this toggle, you can simply tap on it. You can also hold it, which will take you to the settings in which you will be able to customize a couple of things like the resolution, the bitrate, and so on. But anyway, once you tap on it, it will give you this pop-up terms of use for screen recording. Just want to select right here that I have read and agreed to it. Click on agree. And it looks like it actually opens up the settings regardless. So you can go over it, customize it. We have picture quality. So we have high. Sound, none by default, but I can change it to either system, microphone, both, or obviously nothing that is selected. And we have also some dots to show that it's recording right now, and display touch rejection. Okay, I think this one is, oh yep, there it is. So it's basically the semi-transparent gray dot. So that's the touch input that is being shown on the screen recording. So from here, once you are recording, which we are, you can faintly see this little overlay right here, which this one will not be visible on a screen recording. It's only visible to us on the screen. But yeah, you can see that it's recording, how far along it is. And let's open up some kind of application, like, let's just go with Edge. So there we go. Next, we're just gonna close this, and interacting with this overlay, it expands it, and we can now click on the square. This will automatically save the screen recording to your Photos application. It will be most likely in Google folder. There it is. Let's navigate to Collections and Screenshots. Now screen recordings here are stored in screenshots for some reason. So here it is. And you can also see that dot, that's where my finger was pressing the display. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.